Hi, I'm Helen Coons, the Assistant Director of Lynnhaven River Now. I want to personally thank you for your membership with Lynnhaven River Now. Your membership is helping to reduce pollution, restore vital habitat, and educate and engage new people in caring about our waterways. Today, our community came out to help load over 800 35-pound oyster castles from their delivery site to a barge where they were moved upriver and unloaded again at the restoration site. These castles will be used to build important oyster habitat in the Lynnhaven River. We were able to organize this effort because of your support. Thank you for being a critical part of restoring and protecting Virginia Beach waters.